Hello guys, let's see what we are going to create today. Woo, it is looking damn too good. So without any delay, let's jump into After Effects.
Firstly, I created 3 noise maps. So let me quickly show you how I created them. So first of all, create a new composition. I will call it map 1 and make it 10 seconds long. Nice. Now right click, new, solid. I will call it solid 1. Nice. Now I will apply fractal noise effect. You can apply it from effects and preset panel. I use FX console from Video Copilot for that. You can download it from Video Copilot website for free. So I will apply fractal noise. Now I will change contrast to 330 and brightness to -30. Now I will come to this transform section and uncheck this uniform scaling. Make scale width to 1500 and scale height to 15. Now come to evolution section. In evolution section I will apply an expression. So for that, hold Alt and click on this stopwatch and type time star 400. Now this will animate like that. Now this will animate like that. For map 2, every process is same. For that we will make a duplicate of this comp. For that, select this comp and hit Ctrl D to duplicate it and double click on it to open that comp. Now come to 2 seconds and click on this stopwatch to activate keyframe and increase the brightness really high until it becomes completely white. Nice. Now go to beginning of the timeline and reduce the brightness until it becomes completely black. Now we have something like this for second. And now for map 3 I will create a new composition as well, map 3, and add a solid on it as well. And apply a fractal noise. For this we are going to use contrast to really high up to 1050 and brightness to -250. Okay, nice. Go to transform and uncheck uniform scaling and make scale width up to 3000 and scale height to 275. Okay, currently this is looking too much ugly, so we will change the noise type to soft linear to block and come to complexity and reduce it up to 1. Now we have to follow same step on evolution as well to animate this. For that, hold Alt and click time into 400. For this comp we want a background transparent, and in this comp, as you can see, this is a black portion. Now for that, duplicate this solid, press Ctrl D to duplicate it. Toggle switches modes. Now your track matte option should appear. If it is not, right click here and columns and select modes. Okay, for track matte we are going to use Luma matte. This will make comp transparent and remove this black portion. Nice. Now see the animation. For this comp we want animation in lower frame rate, so for that we will right click, new, adjustment layer and apply posterize time on it and make frame rate up to 8. This will make animation choppy. Nice. Now come to our final comp. For now create our render comp, add all 3 maps. We don't want to see any of them, so hide them all. Nice. Now you can import your logo or add any text you want. So I'm going with this logo and I will scale it up. You can change scaling by pressing S. So by the way, this is a vector logo, so if I turn on this collapse transformation option, it will make logo very clear. This works only with vector layers. And I will add a fill to it. Fill and make it white in color. Nice. Now I will decompose it. Make sure to move all the attributes and I will call it logo inside. Now we want a adjustment layer, so for that, new, adjustment layer. We will apply set matte on it, set matte, and take matte from map 2 and alpha channel to luminance. Now it will reveal. Let me change the quality for quicker preview. Now it will make this animation like this, but this is not an animation we are going for. So for 2 seconds, press Ctrl Shift D to split that layer and delete that rest of the portion and create one more adjustment layer and split it to 2 seconds as well. Now we will apply displacement map. So for displacement map layer we will choose map 1. For max vertical displacement I will make it 0. Go to 2 seconds, create a keyframe on max horizontal displacement and make it up to 200. No, make it 0 and go to beginning of the timeline and change it to 200. Now we have something like this. Okay, it is a good start. Now we will add a layer, new, adjustment layer, Control Shift D, delete, go to 2 second and 5 frames. You can go forward and backward in timeline frame by pressing page up and page down. I will go to 2 second and 5 frame by pressing page down key. 1 2 3 4 5. Now we are 2 second and 5 frame, and Control Shift D, delete it. Select that layer, Control Shift D and delete it. Zoom to the timeline because this layer is very short. Now add CC scale wipe. CC scale wipe. Now change stretch to 20 and direction to 180. Okay. Come to 2 second time and create a keyframe on a stretch and go back to end of this layer and make it 0. So it will make it like that. Now press U to open keyframes and select both keyframes, right click and toggle hold keyframes. Nice. Now duplicate this layer by pressing Ctrl D, drag it into the timeline. Okay, now for that above layer, change the direction to 90. Now we have something like that. Okay, create one more adjustment layer, new adjustment layer. Now Control Shift D, we want it from 2 second and 10 frames, not from beginning. Okay, now add an effect, displacement map on this as well. This time choose map 3 and max vertical displacement to 0 and for horizontal displacement make it 150. Now it will glitch like that. Nice. After 5 seconds, split that layer as well and delete the portion. Go to 6 frames and press N. Now our animation is only 6 seconds long. Nice. Now select all layers by pressing Ctrl A, right click, pre-compose and call it glitch. Duplicate it 3 times, 1, 2 or 3. On every layer add an effect called shift channels. For the first one, take green from full off, take blue from full off. Now do the same. Sorry. Now for the middle layer do the same. Red from full off, green from green, blue from full off. Now on above layer apply shift channel as well. Take red from full off, green from full off. Now we have everything blue, as you can see. It is not looking that good. So for that, change blending mode of above 2 layers to screen. Now come to second frame and displace this layer to 2 frame. Now come to fourth frame and displace the bottom layer as well. Now we have very cool looking RGB split, as you can see. Now last time, right click, new adjustment layer. Now apply glow on this adjustment layer. Nice. Make glow intensity to 5, glow radius to 5. Let's see now what we have. Maybe I forgot about glow radius and intensity settings, so let me see them. Glow radius is 10 and intensity to 2. Glow radius to 10 and intensity to 2. Okay, now add a noise and make it noise 5% and change uncheck use color noise. And we have our glitch intro. If you like this video, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe my channel for amazing After Effects tutorials, and I will see you in next video. Thank you so much.